The Greek Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis has described his country as being at war with wildfires. The blazes have forced evacuations as they've raged across the country, fuelled by strong winds and successive heat waves. A week-long wildfire on the Greek island of Rhodes has torn past defences, sending tourists and locals fleeing. The European Union is sending firefighting help to relieve the island's stretched emergency services. Mitsotakis told Parliament that the country must remain on constant alert.
Αποκλιμάκωση του καύσωνα, αλλά είναι βέβαιο ότι για τις επόμενες μέρες, για τις επόμενες εβδομάδες θα πρέπει να είμαστε όλοι σε μόνιμη επιφυλακή. Αυτή τη στιγμή σε πόλεμο, προσανατολισμένοι αποκλειστικά στο μέτωπο της φωτιάς.
Satellite images on the island of Rhodes, where some 30,000 people fled the fires at the weekend, show the damage being wrought by the flames. Many tourists are still scrambling to get home on evacuation flights, as are seasonal hotel workers whose livelihood is now in doubt. 3 islands have been forced to organise partial evacuations. Besides Rhodes, Corfu and Evia are trying to keep a step ahead of the flames. The heat wave is set to continue for at least a few more days across southern and eastern Europe, with governments issuing travel risk warnings, particularly to forested areas.